How to enable dark mode on Discord. Want to give your eyes a break and make Discord look slick? Let me show you how to enable dark mode. It's super simple and looks awesome. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to user settings. Open Discord on desktop, website or mobile. Then click the gear icon near the username at the bottom left. In the user settings that appears, scroll down and tap Appearance. Under Theme, choose Dark. And boom, your Discord gets a cool dark look. Just exit settings and enjoy your new stylish dark mode. Bonus tip: dark mode helps reduce eye strain, especially when chatting late at night. Also perfect for those long gaming sessions. And that's how you enable dark mode on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and comment do you prefer dark mode or light mode. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.